All right, put that oil in there, like a quart of oil. Now the oil light is off. What it do, people? Welcome back to another one of those. We just won another car video with your boy Easy E. So, let's go take a look. And by the way, I want to present y'all with the bag of bolts I was looking for my Burn Traverse. Got the lug nuts, engine cradle nut bolts, and has the bolts for the drive shaft and other little bolts. So I just want to give y'all a little break from the Burn Traverse because there's been a lot of videos on that one. But like I said, let's get on to the new to us. I forgot what it was. 2007 Buick Lacrosse with 181,000 miles. Now let's go take a look. Wah, 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 wah. So here we go. 2007 Buick Lacrosse on the chrome Remy rims. Good tires. Oh man, I got to order tires. Seem to be saying they dry rotted. Damn. So we're gonna do brakes, rotors, probably a new set of tires, or maybe not. It depends on how much you go for, or how much the tires cost. Got a little dent right there, no biggie. Scratch right there, no biggie. Tires do need air in them. I don't know what that is, but y'all see right there, lost type front end, State Farm, 816 or 24. Yep, Firestone tires in the back. Got a scratch right there in the bumper. Another ding right here on the deck lid. More scratches back here. Got a B in there. Y'all tires do need air in them. This tire low too. Car seen better days. But I don't see no rust. Oh, I see it now in the front fenders. At least that fender getting changed right here. Here go your damage right here, your whammage. So this is what we got to be repairing. And what going forward, some next video, it's gonna need fender, some suspension damage here. The tires kind of bent in. It looks straight there, but that tire bent in. It took a hit to the tire. So something bent in there. So we get all in there. Gonna need the hood, headlight, fog light, front bumper, maybe a grill. That's peeling. Woo! New windshield wipers. Probably another cowl. Don't know yet. Got a rust spot over here. So 2 fenders. Oh. When it rains, it pours. At least you got power. Let's pop the trunk. Oh, and the best part about this one, we got this car. I had to drive past Monticello, Indiana to go get this front bumper. Cost $200. Couldn't find it no cheaper just because it take those chrome pieces. Because this bumpers take those chrome pieces. And I wanted to go back with the bumper with chrome pieces. And I like the key. Well, they got the key fob. But I only got one key. So one key fob. And it like came from, it got State Farm, McAllister, 7 Buick Lacrosse. So yeah, that's the key. Look brand new. They must got the other one. So that's looking good. Pop these doors open. No rust. Interior clean. Can't leave, probably need a little vacuuming, but still looking good to me. I might have to put plates on this and drive it myself. Put some LED lights on the inside, but yeah. It's looking good. Oh, can't open this door because of the fender. I don't want to mess the door up. The door do got some dings in it, but it's savable. I got a ding there from the accident. I wouldn't replace the door. I didn't even see that. Got a ding here. That's dinged. We'll just try to pull that out, make it level. Some glue on here, re-glue that back. No body work. It is what it is. It's old. Like I said, this is 2007. I'm not going with perfection with these cars. Got a little overlappage here. Don't know what's going on with the door. This door. Got a dent right there. Don't know if they rammed it into something. This needs to be cleaned up. Front end looking good. Just a little cleaning's gonna need. Just one of them days, and we do got the rugs in here, and I got those rubber pieces that is missing. So that's a good thing. Let's pop the hood on this thing. Check the glove compartment. Oh, got that good 3800 Series 3 motor. You gotta get further in here. This might be messed up, don't know. Check the coolant. Has Dex Cool in there. So that's good. Has oil, the oil full. Need to be changed. I ain't gonna take that off because I hurt my thumb at work. So I work a full-time job. But everything under here look to be in decent shape. Oh, so you're gonna need a header panel. Yep, so that's all busted up. So a header panel. Let me get 2 brand new headlights. Just another day, another dollar. In the life of Eazy-E's Ray Bales. Oh. Yep, 181. These did say 181, like 190. Oh, smack. Got the book. So that's good. As is, these in every car that you buy from the auction. She's dusty. Everything seemed to work. Headliner clean. Try not to touch it because my hand's dirty. Oh, there you go. I had to tap on it. I'm like, no, the lights don't work, but they work. Yeah, but it's gonna need a good cleaning. Get all the dust off. Yeah. Let's hear it run. Oh, we got an exhaust leak. Low washer fluid. Trunk ajar. A little bit under a half a tank, almost a quarter tank of gas. Hood open, no engine light. Say low oil level. So we're gonna throw some oil up in there before we keep on running her. But yeah, say oil change was due at 189.58. So they obviously they over the mileage, and that was 10:27:23. Woo woo! Make sure the important window work. Yep, less important window. Really less important window. Look at that window. So all windows work. Do savvy mirrors work? Savvy mirrors work. That power mirror work. That power mirror work. Gonna shut her off. And I do believe I have some oil I can pour in there for right now. So it's saying low oil level. Even though the oil look like it's full, but it can be. You can just be on the dipstick. And I am going, the thumbnail should show how much we paid for this car. My garage still dirty, but we getting her cleaned up. Purged, burn traverse. Like I said, I was giving y'all a little break from the burn traverse. By getting another car to work on, so I can work on two. Tell people I always had two cars back here. We had the purge traverse and the burn traverse in the, trying to get the paper, in the garage. Well, in the backyard, but now purge traverse is in pieces, is cut up, the rest of it cut up, just got the doors and bumper and whatever. But I'm gonna throw this oil in here and I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna break the cost down. All right, put that oil in there, like a quart of oil. Now the oil light is off. And I forgot to tell you, car does got remote start. Let's give her a whirl. Close that up right there. Y'all can check it out right here. Oh, I tell you, my thumb is hurt, killing me. Door is locked. Start up, but like I said, I got fixed. Oh, that fog light work too? No, it's busted. Yeah, I get up there. I know something wonky with this tire. We get into that when I start getting this car torn apart. I still got, like I said, I still got to order parts. For this thing right here. Can't find them like this no more. But I am not fixing that dent, boy. I'm not fixing that dent. We're going to just fix the front end of this and go about our business. I didn't even see that little They ain't all that bad, I'm telling y'all. But like I said, the thumbnail y'all seen it said Copart win $550. But the whole thing for this car out the door was $976. So it's $550 our winning bid for this car. $10 environmental fee, $49 internet to bid fee, $79 gate fee, $50 title processing fee, $20 title pickup fee, because they mail the titles to you now, and they are processing the titles. So now you be waiting damn near 2 months to get a title to a car. So we be waiting for a title for this one. Then go $20 pickup. That's for them to mail you the title. $20 pickup fee. Then buyer fee is $185. Then sales tax is $33.60, which comes out to a grand total of $976 for this. And I'm like, this ain't that bad. I'm like, this is not bad. If you fix the suspension, you can still drive this car as is. You don't need to fix that headlight or fix the hood. You probably can bang the hood out. You know what I'm saying? Pull the fender out if you wanted to and drive it as is. I done sold cars as is, where it is, where it sits, just like the auction sell them as is, where it sits. And sometimes people are like, I want that car, and I'm like, give me what I paid for it. That would be $976 plus $150 in gas to go pick it up. That would have to pay me for this car as is. But obviously they can't get this car as is because I paid another $200 for a bumper. So I want my $200 for the bumper. Any other parts I done bought for this car, we want our money. Like I said, it is what it is, baby. But this is how the cookie crumbles. This is how we get down. I'm going to put this paper inside this freaking car. So I'm trying to keep all these little slips of paper to these cars. Try to keep a more detailed build like Goon Squad. Because I just buy parts and throw the receipts away. I got to start stapling the receipts to these bill of sales that I print up. But I think that was it for this car. Y'all see a new build. We get into it later on in another video. So I'm gonna get back on the Burns reverse. Because in one video we gotta sit here and pretty much get the fender off, the front bumper, broken headlights, leave the hood on for now. Gotta get a hood, fenders, brakes. Then I noticed this one ain't even chrome. If I can find that in chrome, that'd be good. If I can't, oh well. Because this ain't no quick flip when you're dealing with Easy rebuilds. I actually take these cars apart and put them back together. It's just like you knew this channel, just like the Burn Traverse. Been sitting here and actually getting put back together. If she runs, then good. But I get back on that one. Still gotta get that radiator put in and stuff. Still gonna need a key. Cross our fingers she start. But that's gonna be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. Every subscriber helps. Every subscriber matters. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. We have merch, not like this, at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, which helps this channel buy more of these. So you have something to watch. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!